Watch your back! Dodgeball? What would you call a yardstick in the metric thing?
So that's a good idea, right?
Yeah, okay, alright, sure, I'll do it.
Hey man, what's going on?
Not much.
I was just telling Petey here about my idea to take over the school. I mean, my plan for us to take over the school.
What plan?
Don't worry, Jimmy. It's just a little something I came up with. It's sink or swim, my friend. And if you're good at swimming, you gotta let the losers drown. Why don't you guys leave the thinking up to me?
What?
What? What the? Can't you say anything else? You know what, Petey? You were right. Jimmy is pretty dumb.
What'd you say about me?
Whoa, nothing, no. All I said was that you had to be pretty dumb to get expelled from so many schools, that's all.
Relax, James. All he said was that you must be dumb. Or maybe you're all messed up because you came from a broken home.
What'd you say about me, dwarf?
Come on, dude. Chill.
No. Gary's taking everything out of context, man.
Whoa. Don't lie, Petey. Don't you lie. Because you know what happens to liars?
No, I'm not lying.
We kick them in the balls! Come on, Jimmy, let's go see how good you are with this new slingshot I heard you had. Don't worry, friend. Nothing escapes my notice. I hear everything. You and me, we can do things. Friends? Friends are for the weak. Hey, see if you can knock out the windows of that bus. I want to see your long-range skill. See if you can get him with your slingshot. I can't believe I switched my meds again. That's not a bad shot. All right. Come on, let's go down to the football field.
Where's the rotten fish?
Go hide in that tree so you can mess with them. I'm gonna take a seat on the bleachers to watch the fun.
Get the hell out of my way, loser. You want some more, loser? I've got lots. Now being lazy gets you. It gets you another whack, you lazy guts. I don't care what a whack, you sack of eggs. I didn't tell you to stop. What are you doing, you lazy guts? Get going. Now what being lazy gets you? It gets you another whack, you lazy guts.
There we go. Done.
I wonder if I'll ever hit someone so hard their head will come
Fritz, it's time for some wrestling instruction. This will require physical contact between you and your opponent. Don't any of you enjoy it?
Yay! Bullhorn!
Hey! I have so many years ahead of me! Don't do it! What a laser brain! Please! I didn't try to see him fall any lower! You don't want to touch my tender soul! Crushed!
That's what I like to see!
What a laser brain!
Bullhorns never give up!
Please! I have nervous
Do
bowels!
something, Hopkins!
Another crushing blow from Fatty.
I thought you were supposed to be...
I have so many years ahead of me! Don't do it! Why am I such a doofus?
That's right, Hopkins, get close and personal!
I'm gonna
You
die
wanna
of
fail this class,
embarrassment!
Hopkins?
Try to see him fall any lower? Yeah!
Come on, boys, show me what you got!
Bullhorn fans, clap your hands! Hey, all you Bullhorn fans, stand up and clap your hands! Bullhorn, Bullhorn, yeah!
Don't be so damn smug, Hopkins. I'll get you down yet.
Ain't no stopping Jimmy Hopkins.
Maybe if I concentrate real hard, I can make it.
Now, if I could read all three tonight,